In this video, I will explain the logic behind the success that you see in others and how you can have it in you. The logic will be used to change your life as you will apply this in your day-to-day life. It's called manifestation. You have seen people out there living a good life, succeeding at their first trial, always getting what they want. I'm talking about money, health, wealth, and they never seem to lack. And you're wondering, what is it that they're doing? Is it magic? Is it witchcraft? I'm here to tell you about my discovery that changed my life. Well, you see, we all are human beings, so whatever they're doing, you can also do it to achieve what they're achieving. Brain is the most powerful thing we have as human beings. You have to train your brain to your advantage, as so you can seek and you can knock and it will be given to you. And that is what you're going to do. Using your own voice, loud or inner, you ask your brain how you can make $1,000 or $10,000 in 3 days with forex, and it's going to answer you. That is exactly what I did, and it answered to me. I asked it, how can I make $100 with forex, and it did exactly that. I trained my brain to give as I asked. So I began by learning what is forex, and it is in simple terms, it's the movement of price in currencies such as Euro USD, GBP, and many other more. The movement of price between two prices like Euro USD, measuring the strength of the two currencies based on the buying and the selling demand of the currencies. But in a pair like Euro USD, we are using two pairs to trade one, more like one currency against the other. You're trading euro against USD. If people are buying euro, then the movement goes up. And if they stop, the movement goes down. And the upward and the downward movement is what is called bullish and bearish. Bullish is the upward movement indicated in green. Bearish is the downward movement indicated in red. How can you make money in a bullish movement? The rules is to find a place to enter and exit the area where you take profit, and always enter low like follows. And how you make money with a bearish movement is again to find a place where to enter and exit. Always enter high and exit low, as you can see. But you can see in a trading view where we will do our analysis before we actually place our trade on the trading platform. Movement of price is represented by candles, and the candles move upward and downwards. A candle has a body and wicks, just like as this you can see on the screen. The candle forms a formation which is called price structure. And if you look at the structure, you will see different shapes, and it is this structure that traders use to make money. You don't need to know all the structures. Instead, learn a few structures and use them to your advantage. In this video, I will show you how you can use a price formation called fair value gap to flip $100 to $10,000. Fair value gap is where price gets ahead of itself and makes a rapid move upwards or downward, leaving a gap. Later or sooner the price would go down to balance the formation that it formed. And a fair value gap can be used to understand the narrative of how a gap is created, as as price makes a large black candle in its movement. The large range fair value gap can be used as an entry or as a target. So with an example, I will show you how you can be of analysis to a fair value gap. As you can see, it is a large candle that is made a rapid move, leaving a gap imbalance will be used to enter and target. At this, as you can see, it can be used as an entry. The fair value gap has to close so it can be complete. And as you can see on the screen, price moved downwards and it left a gap, and you can the lower of the candle A and the higher of candle C, that is what is called gap. And this between the high and the low, what is created is an imbalance movement. And we look at examples of fair value gap in the market, and how we can use them, and how we can make money with it. So I will walk you through this, as it's a good practice so you can make money, and we look at the examples.